She won.
You won, madam?
She was a winner.
Congratulations.
That's her 50th win in the month.
50th? You're counting?
We gotta find the double 12. We gotta find the double 12. Somebody picks it out.
But that's also a
How many dots?
4, 8,
Now
it's 11.
That's gonna be 3.
3.
3, then you got your choice of 3, 10, 9, or 4. Or you gotta go to bonus.
Oh, yeah.
Nine again.
11.
Then you got a
11.
choice of 9,
4.
9, 10, and 9.
You got 6 here.
What'd you say about 6?
Huh?
Okay. You're out.
Oh, good for you. You're pushing, come on, 3, 2, this, then the other thing. All right, I know, this one fellow was just wanting to play, and, you know, I was paying attention to Don and everybody but him, and like a Early's or something. And he said, he was new, and he said, I'm out. I went, oh. But, you know, beginners luck. And sometimes you get a 12, I double 12, and you can't draw a 12. I've had that happen to me. Yeah. Only one double 12. And you got it, but that's the only one you have. Oh, we're drawing for the 12.
You got another 4?
So put it here. Now you can play as many as you want. I've got to get 11. Provided you get a 12, another 12. No, you can't play on her. You can't put it on. What is that, a 6?
6.
A 6.
Right.
You want me to give you a 6, a 7, a 3.
You and Venus will work out.
Okay.
Then your first is your train station.
A 1 and a 4. Okie dokie. We'll ride on that one. Okay. Is it my turn? Yeah. Now that it's covered, you can play on all the other things. And I still can't play. I'm going to try from this side. I still didn't. I'm not up for it. Yes. Okay, my turn. She should be out. Good. Good, good, good. Thank you for getting us out. This was a hard deal. I could have put it right here. Taking it so far away. That's okay. That was a hard deal.